Hey guys, welcome to MacTech. Today we'll be learning how to see hidden chats on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to see hidden chats on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after that guys, in order to view your hidden chat on WhatsApp, there are two ways. If the chat is hidden or the locked chat is hidden on your WhatsApp, then you will be required to enter the code. So for example, if you had hidden your locked chats, then it will not appear over here, but if you have not done it, when you swipe down on this interface, your locked chats will be available over here. Now if it's not available over here, you'll be required to search for the code which you had used to hide your chat, hide your locked chats on WhatsApp. So to do that, let's search for the code. And by the way, 7836 is the code I had registered on my WhatsApp account to hide the locked chat. So you'll be required to do the same in order to view your locked chats, and tap on the locked chats over here. And over here guys, all of your hidden chats will be available over here. With that being said guys, this is how to view your locked chats on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.